In this video, we will learn how to install Scripthook V in GTA 5. In order to install Scripthook V for GTA 5, all you need to do is firstly open up the browser of your choice. From here, type in Scripthook V, then hit enter. After that, head to the first web link that appears. From here, you need to click on the download button at the bottom left hand side, and now click on start download. So after the file is downloaded, all you need to do is extract the file into a folder. From here, you need to head into the folder, head into bin. From here, you need to copy and paste 3 files into the GTA 5 installation directory, and in order to find it, open up the launcher you used to play GTA 5. From here, click on the 3 dots, go to manage. From here, under installation tab, head to the folder button. It will lead you to the installation directory of GTA 5. Now all you need to do is copy the 3 files from here and paste it into the GTA 5 directory. And now you are done and you can enjoy all the script mods of GTA 5. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.